Have you ever found yourself rushing through the day, grabbing whatever food is quickest and easiest, only to feel sluggish and unsatisfied later? You're not alone. I'm Dr. Alex Green, with a decade of experience in clinical nutrition. Every day, I see people like you and me, struggling to balance a nutritious diet with the demands of a busy life. But what if I told you that small, simple changes in your diet could dramatically improve your health and energy levels? Today, we're diving into the world of practical, achievable nutrition for those always on the go. We'll cut through the noise and confusion around dieting and focus on what truly works. So, if you're ready to transform your eating habits and, in turn, your life, stay with me. We're about to explore some game-changing tips and strategies. And who am I? My name is Dr. Alex Green. With a master's degree in nutritional sciences and years of helping people unlock the power of food, I'm here to guide you on this journey to better health. Let's face it, in our fast-paced world, finding time for anything, especially meal planning, can feel like a luxury we just don't have. You rush from one task to another, and before you know it, you're reaching for that quick, unhealthy snack or takeout menu. It's a cycle many of us know all too well. But what if I told you that with a bit of planning and some simple tricks, you can turn this around? Let's talk about how to make meal planning a seamless part of your routine, without it feeling like an added burden. First, dedicate a small portion of your weekend to meal prep. Just an hour or two can set you up for success for the entire week. Think about preparing versatile ingredients that can be mixed and matched throughout the week. Also, keep a stash of healthy snacks at your workplace or in your bag. Nuts, fruits, or yogurt can be lifesavers when you need a quick energy boost. Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's about making better choices, more often. Each small step is a victory in its own right. Cutting through nutritional noise. Addressing misconceptions. In a world overflowing with nutritional advice, it's easy to feel lost. One day, a food is a superfood. The next, it's on the avoid list. This ever-changing information can make healthy eating seem like an unsolvable puzzle. But don't worry. My approach is to cut through this noise and bring you information grounded in scientific research. Nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. Let's simplify it. For instance, let's debunk a common myth. Eating fat makes you fat. Not true. Healthy fats, like those in avocados or nuts, are essential for your body. It's about balance and understanding the types of fats you consume. Or take carbohydrates. They're not your enemy, but choosing the right kind like whole grains over refined ones makes all the difference. By understanding these basic principles, you can make informed choices that suit your lifestyle and health goals. It's about empowering you with knowledge, not overwhelming you with jargon. Sustainable weight management. Introduction to sustainable weight management. One of the most common concerns I hear is about losing weight and then gaining it all back. This frustrating cycle can feel endless. But there's a better way, a sustainable way. True weight management isn't just about dieting. It's about understanding your body and nourishing it appropriately. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Let's talk about practical strategies that go beyond fad diets. For instance, focusing on portion control, understanding hunger cues, and enjoying a variety of foods in moderation. Remember, it's about making changes that you can maintain long-term. No drastic diets, just consistent, healthy choices. You have the power to break the cycle. With the right approach, maintaining your ideal weight can become a natural part of your lifestyle. Boosting energy and activity. It's a common scenario. After a long day at work, you're just too exhausted to think about exercising. What if I told you that the right dietary choices could boost your energy levels, making it easier to stay active? The secret to sustained energy isn't in caffeine or energy drinks, it's in your meals. Foods rich in complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and proteins provide long-lasting energy. Start with a balanced breakfast, include protein in your meals, and choose snacks that combine carbs and protein. These simple changes can make a significant difference in your energy levels. With this newfound energy, you'll find it easier to incorporate physical activity into your routine. Even a brisk walk or a quick home workout can have substantial benefits. Remember, every step counts. The journey to a more energetic, active life starts with what you put on your plate. Reinventing healthy eating. There's a common myth that healthy eating is bland and boring. But I'm here to show you that it's anything but. Healthy food can be incredibly flavorful and satisfying. Let's explore how to bring excitement to your meals. It's about experimenting with spices, trying new recipes, and discovering the natural flavors of fresh ingredients. A nutritious meal doesn't mean sacrificing taste. For example, a stir-fry with colorful vegetables and lean protein can be both a delight to your palate and good for your body. I encourage you to get creative in the kitchen. Cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when you know you're nourishing your body with every bite. Think of healthy eating not as a chore, but as an opportunity to explore new tastes and textures. It's a journey of culinary discovery, and I assure you, it's a delicious one. Budget-friendly healthy choices. One of the biggest myths about healthy eating is that it's expensive. I'm here to show you that it's entirely possible to eat well without breaking the bank. Let's start with smart shopping. Focus on whole foods like grains, beans, and seasonal produce. These are not only nutritious but also generally more affordable. Meal planning is another key. Planning your meals in advance can prevent impulse buys and reduce waste. And remember, cooking in bulk can save both time and money. You don't need exotic superfoods to be healthy. Local and in-season fruits and vegetables, bulk grains, and legumes are your best friends when it comes to eating healthily on a budget. Eating healthily is an investment in your well-being, and it doesn't have to strain your wallet. With these tips, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals that are easy on your budget. Building a supportive community. Embarking on a journey to better health can sometimes feel lonely. But remember, you're not alone. Building a supportive community can make all the difference. Whether it's joining a local fitness class, participating in online forums, or even starting a health-focused group among friends, there are many ways to connect with others who share your goals. In these communities, you can share your experiences, challenges, and successes. Learning from each other is not just motivating, it's also incredibly enriching. Visual. People sharing tips and stories, both in person and online. The power of community. A supportive community provides a sense of belonging and accountability. It's a space where you can find encouragement and inspiration on days when your motivation might be low. Visual. Community members encouraging and supporting each other. Invitation to join the community. And if you're looking for a place to start, join our online community. Here, you'll find people just like you, committed to improving their health and well-being. Practical cooking skills. For many, the biggest hurdle in eating healthy is not knowing how to cook simple, nutritious meals. But don't worry, it's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you. Let's start with some fundamental cooking techniques that are both easy and quick. Stir-frying, steaming, and baking are great methods to retain the nutrients in your food while making it delicious. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated. Preparing basic ingredients in bulk, like grains, proteins, and veggies, can save you time and ensure you have healthy options readily available. Experimenting in the kitchen can be fun. Try new recipes, mix and match flavors, and discover what works for you. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in cooking. As you become more comfortable in the kitchen, you'll find that cooking healthy meals is not just beneficial for your health, but also enjoyable and satisfying. Navigating social eating. We've all been there, at a social event, surrounded by tempting foods that don't fit into our healthy eating plan. Navigating these situations can be challenging, but it's definitely manageable. Visual. People at a social event with various food options. Strategies for social settings. Here are some strategies. First, don't go to an event hungry. Have a healthy snack beforehand to avoid overindulgence. Second, scan the buffet or menu for healthier options. There's usually something that fits your diet. It's also about balance. Enjoying an occasional treat is perfectly okay. The key is moderation, not deprivation. Allow yourself to enjoy, but be mindful of portion sizes. Feel confident in your choices. You're making decisions that are right for your health, and that's something to be proud of. If questioned, a simple, "I'm focusing on eating healthier," is more than enough. Visual. Dr. Green confidently choosing healthy options, interacting with others. Empowering mindset. Remember, social eating is a part of life. It's about finding a way to enjoy these moments while staying true to your health goals. As we wrap up, let's remember the journey we've taken today. From understanding the power of nutrition to practical tips on meal planning, from debunking dietary myths to finding joy in healthy cooking, we've covered a lot. And let's not forget the importance of a supportive community and confidently navigating social eating. Every step you take towards healthier eating is a step towards a better you. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making more informed and healthier choices, one meal at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I also invite you to join our online community, where you can find support and share your own journey with others. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Alex Green, and I believe in the transformative power of nutrition. Here's to your health and happiness. Visual. Dr. Green waving goodbye, ending on a positive note.